Hello guys, what's up? I hope you guys are all well. Today I'm gonna unbox a little LivePods, which is Lenovo LivePods, and I think this will be good. I just received it from an online store. I ordered 3 days earlier, so I'm gonna just show you guys. Let's open it. I think packaging is pretty much good. They provide a good box, and here it is. You guys can see simple box for the LivePods, and here you can see the main box of the LivePods. The box is pretty much good, I think. Let's wrap it up. Wow, I think the look is so good of the box, and it is so lightweight. Let's see what else in the box. Yeah, they provide a cable for charging the box, and this is USB type C port, which is really good, I think. They do not provide USB type USB type 2 2.0. It is USB type C, which is pretty much good, and cable quality is also good. And here we have extra rubber notch for the earpiece, and here we have a tiny little this is ridiculous. This is so little, tiny little guideline for the LivePods user manual, you can say, and it is in all English, written in English. You can check for the all specification and configuration. And let's move the main box. Open. Wow, I think it is pretty much good. This is amazing. The quality of the box is so good, I think. Wow, you can see, so easy to open and close. And let's move out the our earpiece one by one. Here is one, and here is another. So let's have a look of this earpiece. I think this is pretty much good. Quality is so good, and they have touch facility on the earpiece. Here is the other one. The build quality is pretty much good, and I think it is really good. I think if you consider it with the price, then it is really good. And let's have a another look on the box. Here you have a LED. It will indicate the charging percentage, and here you have the USB type C port by which you should charge it. And here it allows some specification. Lenovo LivePods LP1 DC 5 volt 500 milliampere and 300 mAh. This box contains 300 mAh battery, which is pretty much good, I think. So I will test it now. The sound quality, I think sound quality will be great. So let's move to the charging part of this earbuds. So once the AirPods fully charged, you can use it for 2 hours, almost 2 hours, without any problem. and then you have to put it back in the case, and when you put it back in the case, it will start charging, and and you can recharge this AirPods from the case almost 3 to 4 times once your case is fully charged, which is pretty much good, I think. And another special feature for this AirPods, which is this is sweat proof and kind of splash proof, I think. Yes, kind of splash proof and sweat proof. So if a sweat or splash of rain comes to it, then it won't cause any damage, which is pretty much good, I think. And if I tell about the price, let's talk about the price. The price is not so high in case of if we consider the performance, then the price is not high. Brought it for 1000 BDT, which is Bangladeshi taka, and the price is pretty low, I think. And at last I want to tell you guys, the build quality of this AirPods is pretty much good, and the sound quality is also good. I already tested it. It is good, I think, and it has some special feature. You should open the manual and read the features of this touch feature. I can tell you some, such as if you touch one time, then your music playback will stop, and if you touch again one time, then music playback will start. And if you touch 3 times simultaneously, then 3 times on the right AirPods simultaneously, if you touch 3 times, then the the playback will go to the next track. And if you touch 3 times to the left AirPods 3 times simultaneously, then it will move backward to the previous track, which is pretty much good, I think. There are more feature in this task, so you guys should open the manual. They described it properly in the manual, so you guys open the manual, and you guys can see it. So that's it for these AirPods. So goodbye all.